Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the only pasta salad sauce you will ever need. This simple yet incredibly flavorful dressing is the foundation for a truly outstanding pasta salad, ensuring every bite is delicious. We will focus on creating a perfectly balanced, versatile sauce that enhances all your ingredients. Get ready to elevate your pasta salad game with this essential recipe, making it a crowd pleaser every time. For our base, you will need 1/2 cup of high-quality extra virgin olive oil, providing richness and body. Next, add 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar or fresh lemon juice for that essential bright acidity. 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard is key for emulsifying the dressing and adding a subtle tang. Finally, mince 2 cloves of fresh garlic to infuse a wonderful aromatic depth. Begin by combining the vinegar, Dijon mustard, and minced garlic in a medium bowl. Whisk these ingredients together thoroughly. Now, slowly drizzle in the 1/2 cup of olive oil while continuously whisking until the dressing is beautifully emulsified and slightly thickened. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Finally, stir in about 1/4 cup of chopped fresh parsley or basil for a burst of freshness. For the best flavor, allow your finished sauce to rest for at least 30 minutes. This resting period lets all the wonderful flavors meld together beautifully. Always taste and adjust the seasonings, adding more salt, pepper, or a touch more vinegar, just before tossing it with your cooked pasta. Any leftover sauce can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. This versatile dressing truly elevates any pasta salad.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.